Hi, friends. Today we're diving deep into the big blue ocean. And guess what? We're going to meet ocean animals from A to Z. Are you ready? Let's splash in. A to Z ocean animals. A is for angelfish, colorful and bright, swimming like a tiny rainbow. B is for blue whale, the biggest animal in the whole world. C is for crab. Click clack go the claws. D is for dolphin, fast, friendly, and always smiling. E is for eel, long and wiggly like an underwater noodle. F is for fish, big fish, tiny fish, fish of every color. G is for great white shark, strong and speedy with sharp senses. H is for hammerhead. Look at that funny head shape. I is for isopod, a tiny ocean bug that crawls on the seafloor. J is for jellyfish, floaty, glowy, and oh so squishy. K is for killer whale, also called an orca, black, white, and beautiful. L is for lobster, red claws and a big tail. M is for manatee, gentle giants who love seagrass. N is for narwhal, the unicorn of the sea. O is for octopus, 8 arms for great big hugs. P is for pufferfish. It poofs up like a spiky ball. Q is for queen angelfish. She shines like a jewel. R is for ray. It glides like a kite under the water. S is for sea turtle. Slow, calm, and always graceful. T is for tiger shark, with stripes like a wild cat. U is for urchin, round and spiky like a little ball of needles. V is for vampire squid. Spooky name, super gentle. W is for walrus, with long tusks and silly whiskers. X is for X-ray fish. You can see through its body. Y is for yellow tang, bright like sunshine. Z is for zebra shark, spotted when young, striped when grown. Wow, we met ocean animals from A to Z. Which one was your favorite? Thanks for swimming with me today. See you next time for another big adventure under the sea. Parents, want to make fun videos with your kids? Click the description link to see how it works. This makes a fun gift for the whole family.